Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so my name is Sarah if you're new here, and if you're not already subscribed, let's just go ahead and get that out of the way. Subscribe to my channel, become part of the family, become part of the Kwak fam, and there's tons of exciting content on here, and I post pretty much 5 days a week, so you won't be missing out on anything, and make sure you click on that notification bell. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on the videos I post because I post so often. You don't want to miss out. Come on. So, yeah, have you clicked yet? I hope you did, and we're going to start the video right away. Alright, so the video that we're starting is this makeup look right here. I guess that's kind of obvious. Now, what is so special about this makeup look? It looks like a natural makeup look, and what's the big deal, Sarah? Well, this makeup look was done with just one shadow. Not one palette, one shadow color. That's right. This eye look you see right here, yeah, just one. You want to see a little close-up? I'll show you. So here's my face close-up, and as you guys can see, all this was done with just one shadow color. I think it's pretty amazing. So of course, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and perhaps see if I really did use one shadow because it just looks that good, stick around, don't go anywhere, and we're going to get started pretty much right now. So let's just go ahead and get this challenge, one color, not one palette, one color makeup challenge started. So I am going to fill in my brows first. So just pick up any of your favorite brow product and do your brows. So now taking my concealer, I'm just going to use that to kind of prime my lids and just bring some down, a little bit down underneath my eyes, and blend that out with my fingers. So for this one color palette challenge where you pick just one color, I feel like using a warm tone neutral color is the safest way to go. If you want to use like blues and like bright pinks, then do whatever you want to do. It's your face. But I'm gonna go in with a more safer, a warm tone color shadow. And the color I'll be using is from the Dominique Latte palette, and I'll be using the color Hazelnut. Alright, so the key thing here is to use different brushes and use different pressure on your brush. That way you can put on more pressure to bring out more pigment, less pressure, less pigment, maybe even wet your brush, use a dry brush. Use different techniques such as that to make the look come out good. You know what I mean? So I'm going to take a really nice fluffy brush and place that basically on the upper sockets of my eyes, but using a super gentle hand. So you can still see the pigment, but you don't want to see it too much, not just yet. Alright, now put this brush aside because we'll be using the leftover pigment on this fluffy brush, but just not yet. So put that aside and go back in and pick up your concealer. I'm going to actually use a different concealer. You can use the same one if you want, but this one, the second one I'm using, is just a tad bit lighter, and I want that lightness to help me with this next part I'm about to do. So got some concealer on my hand, just a little bit of it, and we're going to actually put that concealer on the inner 2/3, if not 1/3 of your eye. And use your fingers to blend out. Just be sure you don't really touch that outer corner that we worked so hard on. Alright, just like that. So let that concealer dry up a little bit. And this one doesn't take that long to dry, but let it dry. After your concealer has dried up, go back in with that brush you used earlier, and whatever's remaining on that brush, gently sweep that on top of the concealer you placed on. Now we're picking up a different brush, still somewhat fluffy, but not as fluffy as the first one. We're going to start from the outer corner, and then again, the same thing what we did earlier, but because this is more densely packed than the first one, it's going to help show the pigment a little bit more. So I'm just going to start at the outer corner and dab. You see that? Dabbing, and kind of bring that in a little bit. Dab and bring it in. Now we're picking up another brush. This is even more densely packed. Definitely not fluffy, but tinier and more packed, as you can see. Picking up that same color, of course, because this is the one color shadow palette. One color shadow challenge. There you go. And again, working your way from the outer corner to the inner corner. So far, this is the look we have going on right now. We're going to go back in and kind of fix up the inner part of our eyes because I feel like some of the kickbacks and pickups have kind of flew around a little bit, but that's okay. Just go in and fix that part up using that first brush we used. And if you need to, even go back in with that concealer to brighten up the eye a little bit. Alright, so basically my eyeshadow is pretty much complete. Let's go ahead and do our eyeliner. And for my eyeliner, I'll be using my NYX Gel Eyeliner. This is super creamy and I like it a lot, but the thing is, like, it transfers. So I tend to use it if I'm, like, you know, not going anywhere super important. Most of the time, I'll use it during my, what do you call it? My tutorials. Makeup tutorial.
I'm feeling so hello. Don't you know? Don't you know?
Alright, so I got my lashes on and my eyeliner done, and I'm gonna go in and kind of blend in my real lashes to the fake ones, and I'll be using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Blend those two together. And to really complete the eyes, I want to kind of go back in, of course, using the hazelnut, and bring some of that hazelnut right underneath my eye. And just go ahead and finish up the rest of your face.
I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell.
There you have it, guys. This is the finished makeup look, and I used exactly one color, which is the hazelnut color from the Dominique Latte palette. And, you know, I challenge you guys to do the same exact challenge. Just pick one color you like and make a, you know, make an eye makeup look with it. I mean, I think I did a pretty good job. Of course, I stayed kind of on the safe zone and stayed with the neutral browns and, like, you know, tannish color. That's just me. If you want to up it up a notch and, you know, challenge yourself with the bright color, hot pink, aqua blue, do your thing, then make sure you make a video, make a YouTube video, make an Instagram video, tag me in it, and show me what you can create. And this is what I came with at the end. I think I did a pretty good job. And of course, you guys, if you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. That does mean so much to me. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time, alright? Bye!